Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in front of the Southern District of New York Courthouse, with the sounds of a funeral. Old Lang Syne behind me, sorry to say. We just covered the Zohran Mamdani campaign event here in New York City by City Hall, but we're now back over to the Southern District to cover, yes, Sarah Palin versus New York Times, round 2, defamation case. Yesterday were the opening statements, Ms. Williamson, a fact checker. Today there'll be more, and we'll be covering it, that's for sure. We're also covering the Nadine Menendez criminal trial. They have the day off today. Yesterday was the charging conference and the banning of, squashing, of the subpoena to Jose Uribe's lawyer, the cooperator Jose Uribe. So the closing arguments are tomorrow and maybe a verdict on Friday. We'll just have to see. Late last night, a filing in the Tren de Aragua Alien Enemies Act case in front of Judge Hellerstein here. We reported on that where he granted a TRO. Now the government has filed at midnight an opposition to the preliminary injunction, saying there's no jurisdiction. The case has got to go to Texas, saying you're interfering in foreign policies. Largely the same arguments that they're invoking down in front of the judge in Greenbelt, Maryland. Another case that we're following closely, Kilmar Abrego Garcia. So these cases are all coming to a head. I think they're going to be going back to the Supreme Court, and we will be covering it. Meanwhile, we cover the United Nations. And even though they ban us from going in, talk about free press, yesterday we wrote no fewer than 3 scoops about the UN. UNOPS, corruption in Nicaragua, UN peacekeeping or mission, Department of Political Affairs, sexual scandals in Sudan. Yes, they still have a mission there. And also UNIDO. And we asked UN spokesman Stefan Dujarric about all of these, and he didn't have any answer at all, even though he promised to answer written questions, having participated with Guterres in banning the press that asked about his finances. It's totally corrupt, and it's a litmus test, 2025. But for now, we're going into the Southern District of New York. To be continued.